Hi. I'll take you through how to close an assessment or assignment that you create on MS Teams. I hope I'm able to help you. So, when you start doing that, what you do is you go to assignments and then you click on create. When you click on create, you get a pop-up like this, and then you click on assignment again over here. So when you click on assignment, what opens is this page. So where obviously you fill in these basic details as title of your assessment or assignment. You add category, whether it's teacher assessed or whatever type of category you want to give, depending upon your requirement. So then you add instructions if there are any. Then you add resources, whatever the question paper, your answer link to OneNote, whatever. So here, because we are focusing on how to close an assignment, I'm not talking about all of these. So next in line is you choose that you are choosing the correct class. If you want to select a certain number of students, you do that, or you select the entire class. And then the main thing is scheduling the test. So scheduling the test, you have an edit tab over here at the bottom. When you press on this, what you get is, which looks like this. So here is where you schedule the assignment or the assessment, because we've been taking assessments also here, and we give a non-graded assignment also through OneNote assignment link only. So here is how you schedule. You click on this calendar, and I have already chosen 13th of August for this particular assignment. And then I've chosen some time, which you can edit from here. You can choose a date and time. Similarly, if you want to give your students a certain due time, that also you can do by choosing a due date. Some date, choose from the calendar, and the time accordingly. You can do that, and once you are done with that, you just press on the link, on the done button or the tab. However, if you want to close the assignment or the assessment, which is our target for this particular time, if you want to close and you don't want the children to edit your assignment or assessment after this time, then you need to check this. See, I've checked it, and then choose a particular date and time. Once you have done that and you click on done, after this time your students will not be able to make any edits to this page of the this particular assignment or assessment in their notebook. They would be able to see, but they will not be able to edit. However, as teacher, you will be able to annotate, give feedback, correct, etc., and you will be able to do all of that on this page. However, children will not be able to edit post this time. I hope this helps you. Once you press done, you are sorted and good to go. Thank you.